What's up, YouTube? We're back. So today I was gonna do a review on a WRX with 400 horsepower, but that fell through. So we're getting a late start to the vlog today. But I got my Mustang. We're gonna throw some new drum brakes on it, get it ready. I had just ordered a Mega Squirt system for it with the wideband, and I'll put a little picture right there just so you can see. But so that's coming in, but we're gonna get it ready so I can actually drive it once I do that. The brakes are so bad right now, so I'm just gonna get it drivable for the time being. But first, I gotta wash my truck, and then we can get to it. Okay, so Mustang's been sitting for a couple weeks. We're gonna have to put the charger on it, and then hopefully it starts. It should, but it's just another step. All right, so now I'm gonna get the truck and wash it. Well, actually, I'm gonna see if that starts. I'm gonna see if it starts. That throttle is just something about a V8. Just something. Oh my god, it's like having a parking garage at my house. Okay, so we're gonna try to replace the drum brakes on my Foxbody now, and I tried this last time and it didn't work out so well. I kind of gave up and said I'd come do it another time, so we're gonna do it right now, and this is what I'm using. Just using from late model restoration, just these covers, and what are these? Centric parts. So first things first, I gotta take off the wheels and then beat on these things until they come off. Hopefully it works out. You guys can watch and we'll find out what happens. On a side note, I think I got carried away last time with my burnout. Too bad I didn't get a submission clip for Hoonigan and go for it, because that was a nasty burnout. I got the wheel off. It's stuck. So I'm going to spray some WD-40 in there and bang on it with a hammer. And that's going to be my first try. And then we'll go from there. Okay, so they came off really easily. Pretty surprised. Here, I'll show you the old ones. So that's the old one. And here is the new one. Okay, now I will show you what it looks like underneath. Alright, and those are the pads. They don't look as bad as I thought they would. For being 30 years old, I thought they would be gone, but I think they're not adjusted right, and they haven't been working, so it's like I've had no rear brakes, which makes sense. But we're going to change those things right now. So to be completely honest, I've never changed drum brakes before, so we're kind of learning together, and I'll just show you what I do and how I'm trying to figure it out myself. So first thing I did was I took some pictures of the actual drum, so when I take it apart I can figure out how to put it back together. Chris Fix has a really good video on how to actually do this, like in depth, so I'll link that in the video, but we're gonna try to do it together and see how far we can go. Okay, so now that I got the shoes off though, I am gonna clean it. I already kind of started. All right, so I got one side on, but we've gotten to a point where I gotta go on a beer run. Sergio and Ezekiel are here. You can even tell they have their fat chairs. So they've been playing games this whole time while I finished one of the sides. Look how pretty that is. Boom. But they brought me some beer, but we already went through it, so I need more. So I'll show you a little bit more of what I did on the other side, because I was frustrated and it took a long time to get this side, so I'll go a little bit more in depth. But we're getting beer. We'll be right back. Sergio's a dork and he had his hand over the camera like that. I'm sorry. So we're getting beer, and here's our selection. But I know this is the wrong aisle.
Where's the White Claw at?
I will hurt you. All right, so we got this, that, and fat.
Boom, 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 Now that's beatboxing.
Okay, we're back with our beer. I'm gonna go finish the other side. I got this one done. Let's get to the other side. So I got the shoes off. These are the new shoes. And what I did is I did one at a time, and I did the springs with these little, I don't know what they're called, the little plates on it. So I got the shoes in place, and as I say that, I break it off, so that was cool. A mosquito landed them. Okay. And so I got them on, and here we are. So I put this spring and this spring on, and now I'm gonna put, where'd it go? I was just looking at, oh, okay. I'm gonna put this guy on, right in between the middle. Okay, so we got this together, and you know what, sorry for not getting the whole thing done, but this was really hard. I'm lucky to just get this thing together. So I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bleed the brakes and probably do a time lapse of that, but I'm just happy this is done right now, because that was way more work than I thought it was gonna be. But alright, I'll show you the rest. Alright, so finally we got the brakes done, and that was a struggle. We're finally here, it's over. I'm ending the video now. I was gonna do a burnout, but then I realized I have no tire left, so it's over. Thanks for watching, making it to the end. If you do enjoy this video, like, subscribe, and I'll come out with more. Goodbye. Is it good?
10 out of 10.
You look good with that light, Sergio.
I look good at any light. But don't forget to bring us mustard, because y'all gotta catch up.
I don't know if anybody else realizes what kind of music we're listening to, but it's like early 2000s like rock, and then Sergio came into fight, huh?
No.
He ran away. Sergio's running down the street. You can't even see it.